Hello, this is Unbox with Chad and I'm here to do a quick review of Nintendo's Mario Game & Watch.
Wow!
You'll be surprised to this compact handheld product. Sa packaging pa lang, kita mo na yung retro feel, simple, magaan, at yung design has the family computer vibe. Out of the packaging, it truly resembles the controller of a Famicom, pati yung feel ng cross D-pad at action buttons. Maliit lang yung colored screen pero malinaw, adjustable at malakas naman ang mono speakers. Meron din USB Type-C port for charging. It has 3 playable games, Mario Brothers, Mario Brothers 2, and Game & Watch Ball. So upon playing, and playing, ay sobrang nakaka-enjoy. It's very nostalgic at sa kakalaro, mahuhook ka para tapusin yung stage at i-beat yung score. May time feature din ito. Nakakatuwa kasi may gimmicks na nag-iiba-iba ang stage at tanawin. So right now, hapon na, kita yung sky orange going dark. Ang galing, di ba? It also has an option to adjust the volume and screen brightness. Kung trip naman laruin ng Mario Brothers 2 as a player 1, pwede mo na magamit si Luigi. It has the same game concept pero mas mahirap.
Nice!
Overall, napakaganda nito. Walang talo, magandang pangregalo, pangkoleksyon at pampalipas oras. So for me, itong Nintendo Mario Game & Watch ay talaga namang ayos!